Hi, today we're going to be logging into or registering for Active Classroom. The registration process is very simple. It's more like a login process, but I'm going to take you through it and show you how it works. Right here, I have input all the Active Classroom information that you'll need. You simply just click on the icon Active Classroom. There are a few ways that you can log into Active Classroom. You can log in using Clever, and I've got some instructions if you want to log in using Clever if you have a Clever account through College Station ISD. I've got instructions on Schoology, but my suggestion to you is that you log in with Google, okay? If you choose that, it should populate a page like this, and it pulled up my CSISD Google account. Yours should have your 1000 number at csisd.org. If it doesn't, simply click use another account and you can put 1000 1234 at, or whatever your 1000 number is. This is just an example, okay? And then you do next. I'm not going to do next because it's not going to recognize that. I'll put that and then next, and it recognizes my password because I have it saved in here. And then I can do next. Oh, it doesn't recognize that password. You type mine in, do next. And it has logged me into Active Classroom. Okay, this is the teacher view of Active Classroom. Yours is going to look completely different, but all you need to do for Active Classroom today is log in. I have not assigned anything in Active Classroom yet.